pulling for like my purposes, what I bought was Juvatone, Juvaspice, and dill. I already had Sleek Essence. I would definitely consider that, even if you're just trying to make little changes. And the Ningxia Red, Ningxia Nitro, and using Detoxzyme and your digestive enzymes. And definitely, this is all going to go hand in hand with the like healthier poo challenge portion of this. You know, also in digestive support, Life 9, fermented foods, all those great sources of probiotics. But specific to the liver and kicking the sugar, you know, is having good options for replacement. And if you're using oils and things that are going to support reducing those sugar cravings, and then also, you know, supporting the nice pH that's helping to counteract some of the things, some of the like damage that maybe we've done using those supplements that support the liver also, and just really for a kind of a big trifecta, prevent, manage, support while you're trying to kind of overhaul. That is a great combination. So if you guys have questions, post them below. I'm more than happy to, you know, try to troubleshoot some things and answer some questions for you. It's a pretty cost-effective bundle, honestly, if you're just doing a few of those. It doesn't get anything too crazy, and it's a great way to reboot. And I think one of the big things that I would stress to you guys about, you know, doing overhauls is you want something to be sustainable. You don't want to be like, I'm cutting all sugar and just go like cold turkey, because you're going to bust, okay? Like, it's not sustainable. You can't take like 20,000 supplements for the rest of your life either to counteract, because eventually it's not going to counteract what you're already doing to your body by increased sugar to intake. And if you can kick the sugar, I think you'll also see, because sugar has been linked to a lot of things like inflammation throughout our body, you'll see that you feel better overall. Your liver starts being a little happier, weight maybe even a little happier, because you're not eating as much of the, you know, processed icky stuff that leads to inflammation and weight gain, and overall just feeling better. So I think sugar detoxing is a great place to start for the new year, especially after the crazy amount of junk that I've eaten on the holiday. So I hope y'all will join me too, and let's kick sugar together. All right, bye guys.